everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Sharon Somina Fredosfor, a mother of one and an educator. So to my old subscribers, you guys have been really great. So today we will be talking about something very interesting. So today we'll be talking about letters. So basically, most times parents play A B C D for their parents, for their children. A B C D for their children. And as educators, early years educators, we do not advise parents playing such songs for their children, or for example telling their children or teaching their children letter names instead of letter sounds. Now, why do children need to know their letter sounds before their letter names? The reason is that it helps them to read faster. As I see a child of 3 years old knowing how to read, don't need to wait till 5 years before they know how to read. So letter names help to read properly and say the sounds. So we will be talking about just 26 letter sounds that you all know as ABCD, and then we do not teach children according to just say A B C D. Now the children will know A B C D, like they know after A comes B, but they do not know how to identify the letters. So I'm just going to go with the letter names. So this is letter sounds. We'll go with the letter sound from A to Z. Okay, so this is A, 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 B, 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 K, K, D, 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 E, 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 G, 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 H, H, I, I, J, J, K, K, mm, 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 ah, 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 qua, qua, s, 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 t, 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 a,
Apple, apple.
w, 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 x, x, e, e, and z. So these letters comes with these letter sounds come with actions. So you get the actions in my next video where I'll be teaching Sotoyin this letter sounds. Okay, so comes with letters. So we do not teach your children arts. So you can pick this one that has wo and pick z, or let's say pick b. So you teach them scatteredly, not orderly, so they can be able to identify the letter sounds, not just knowing that A B C D and all that. So that's all for today's video. Till we meet next time, do well to click on our subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever we make a new video. So like, share and comment. Bye. Mwah.